Hi everyone, this is Henry Silverman, and I would like to show you how to use the free version of Screen-casto-matic. So if you go to the website of Screen-casto-matic, you will see this view here, and you click on here, Launch Free Recorder, and you click on Allow, and here we have the recorder. You have the options dialog box here, and you have over here the area that's being recorded, and as you've seen in the other videos, you could change the size. And since I'm going to be doing a PowerPoint presentation, so I'll bring up my slides. One could change it to make sure it fits the slides. Now, what you see in here is that you could just do a screen recording of the PowerPoint slides, or you could just do a webcam of yourself. And as you saw in my introduction video, I actually started with a webcam of myself, and then I clicked on just the slides or just the screen, and then I took myself out of the recording. Or you could click on both, in which case you see that there's a webcam showing yourself as well. In which case you may want to extend the window in order to capture fully your webcam without interference with the slides. You also want to make sure that you see these green bars clicking forward, which means that you have the audio working. You could click on this button here and you could select your microphone. If you had another device connected to your computer, it would show up here. I'm just working with a built-in microphone. So when you're ready to record, you could hit the record button and you see the countdown. And then you could start talking, and you could scroll through your slides. I didn't start at the beginning, but here we are at the beginning. So you could start talking and just say, "Hi everyone, I'd like to introduce you to the course History of Research Ethics. In this short video, I'd like to say a few words about myself, about the content of the course, and then give you some tips for success with online learning in this course." Now during the video, you could change which view you want. If you click on here, you'll just have the slides. You'll see here it says hiding, that's hiding the video. Or you could click on here and you will just have the video itself. And then if you click on here, then you're going to have both the picture and the slides. And as you can see here, you could scroll through your slides and talk at the same time. And then when you are done, you could click on this button here, and then you could click on done. And now at this point, if you feel like you want to edit your slides, you click on edit, and then we have here the timeline of everything that you recorded. Notice here the cursor with the yellow circle around here. That may become distracting, in which case you could click on this button here and the cursor disappears. Now the major thing that you could do here is edit out sections that you know that you recorded that you want to leave out. So I know when I started this recording, so in order to use the editing tool, you want to click on here, and then here we have the scroll bar, and you could move the timeline from start to finish. And if I start playing here, and then you could start talking, and then you could move this. You could edit out sections that you know you want to delete. So what you could do is, let's say you want to delete this silence here, so you move the time bar here, then you click on cut, and then you could scroll either backwards or forwards by holding down the shift key, and then you have a cut here. I have another silence here, and click on that and hold this down, and I could cut that out, and you could cut out the remaining silences throughout the timeline. Throughout the recording, there may be times in which you want to pause without pausing the recorder, because you know you could cut out these pauses when you do the timeline. So I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to watching your video recordings. Thank you very much.